Hey, Casey here, VL Performance. We got this 2017 Audi S6. We're gonna try to make it sound as good as it looks. We're gonna start by getting rid of the suitcase muffler on here, and if that's not loud enough, we're gonna probably get rid of some more. We just finished up the S6. We just did a midsection muffler delete. I'll go ahead and show you some videos what it sounds like. So we just heard the exhaust clip. It's definitely a lot louder than stock. Customer did come in, he heard it. He's pretty stoked, so we're gonna get this thing back to him, get it on the road. If you guys need any custom exhaust work, definitely hit us up.